Motivator, motivator, yourself motivator. Always aim higher. Don't look down upon yourself. Motivator, motivator, yourself motivator. Always aim higher. Don't look down upon yourself. Go forward, follow your way. Go abroad and grab awards. Don't forget to praise the Lord every day. Do not ever slow down. Proudly forever, wear your crown. Soft like a liver, don't be hardy. If you want favor,